Are you a working professional? Are you the one who's ignoring ChatGPT and other AI tools in 2023? World will start you ignoring soon. The future belongs to AI and the people who knows how to use AI. Hi, I am Professor Najib Ghatte. I am an engineering professor and have trained around 10,000 of the engineering students. I have published 22 international research papers and hold one US patent. I invite you in my 2-hour AI mastery workshop when I will teach you how to use ChatGPT and other AI tools. Not only this, also teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with YouTube, Gmail, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, PowerPoint, Excel. This will enhance your productivity by multiple times, and also it will offer you around 3x to 5 hike in your salary and get a high payable job. So click on the link below and register for the workshop. See you live.